Hello, great day everyone. This is the Voice Master, Pocholo De Leon Gonzalez. At andito tayo ngayon sa Kamaya Coast. Today is April 30. Okay, 2024. At ngayon ay nasa Maribels ako for 2 weeks. Because of I'm under medication. Ayan. Oh, look at that. I needed this. Welcome. Namiss ko na yung mga ito ginagawa yung Kamaya Coast ngayon. Ayan. So it's 6 PM. Palubog na ang araw. Ayan. Last year nandito kami. This used to be called Lucky Beach.